Hadien kattu katni sngi bala penkotno yaka block level Chief Minister Meghalaya Youth Engagement Program Arhajar San Office of District Sports Officer Ripoy District ringkat ke jingit lang but Office of Deputy Commissioner Ripoy District mentang sngi kila stang pat yaka tei ke jo ke rynsan saha ke district level ke belah tip kum ke 4 district level Chief Minister Meghalaya Youth Engagement Program Arhajar San Kabla pelong ha parish hall Nongpoh ban lang yaki khun samla ka district nagi block ba per ha kate ka program kerpang ban sei ya ka sap ka pong ki khun samla ya ka ni ka program lawan ban Plie pa menta ka sinto ba Meryl Bonds MLA ka Nongpoh kumukong san ha ka jingnon lang Abilash Paranwal Deputy Commissioner ka Ripoy District uba Arvili Masar Additional SP ka Ripoy ki officer na katanat puli puti pat kiwe Laban kedauru hangnya bakani ke rynsan kalong kalat ki khun samla ka district bakin pen pau perthai ya ka sap ba per baki don ha ka jingim jongki na do karwai ka siaw ka put ka tem bat ki jinga ko ba per bat lingba kani ka rynsan kan betin linti ki samla ban jam na way umau jam sha way pan ban poi sha ka state level national level but what sha ka international level Uba Meryl Bonds im habakran kani ka singla pen pau ka jing sngok man banado ka block level la yo I bagi khun samla ki don chi sha ka sap bat ka jing tebet ha ki liang ba per bat kani ka pen I bagi samla na kani ka tham Ripoy kim dei show ki bedang duna Henry ki dei ki badan pahu ka sap ka ba ublei ula ai ha ki bat don kam satang ban prang bat ban penjanai ki
We also have with us the district had things in the last few weeks or this morning or last month. Many of you will forget, then forget me in costume. Most of the time we don't remember. And most of the time we felt that whatever we dreamt, it will be the opposite. It will happen. Kadang kadang ini apa costume kalau nggak hukum, maka kita begini kita. It depends on each and every one of us whether you believe it or not that it is like that. But to me personally, it is not bad to be dream. It is not bad to have a good dream. Jadi costume, but ini costume belong to siapa? Itu kalau mengkumpul dengan betul sudah semua. Dan in my experience. Whatever I dreamt, whatever I imagined, it comes true. The question is that how many of you this morning, when you come for the Chief Minister Youth Engagement Program, when you will go back from here, you will take back something, good memories, good thought, good example, good lesson that you have dreamt, yang waktu costume. Kan saja the famous quote of Reverend Martin Luther King Jr. in 1963, when he talked about the dream, it became a reality. When he says, I have a dream that my 4 little children will live in a country where I will not be judged by the color of the skin, but they will be judged by the content of their character. Reverend Martin Luther King Jr. he has a dream that all his fellow citizens in America, especially people who have a dark skin, have been deprived with various facilities and privileges, but due to the effort by this person led from the front, that the dream has been fulfilled. The costume will keep going on. Abang ini mentang hidup yang berdiri di dalam apa ini Amerika. There is time that we thought that I came from a far-flung villages. I don't know how to sing, I don't know how to speak English. Who can imagine that Plie